What we are going to make?
Sun.
Sun. We are going to paint sun. So this is my final cutting. And I'm just this one using to rise it up.
Sun.
Yay! So like this, right? And here. Good job. Start it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Yes, start painting. Yeah, we will paint it. Yes, yes. We will wash the hand. Okay, no problem.
Hand.
Summer, please. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. You can do it. You can do it. I know. That is why I designed this one. You do here, Summer. Summer, here. Yes, you do it. Yes, you paint it here. So let me show you. Yeah, too messy. Here. See? Wow. Big sun. Good job. Yeah.
Sun.
Okay. Yes. So bye. See you later. No? You want to do more painting? Okay, let's start another painting. Good job.
Bye.
Bye.